even if you want to cross over to 2025 without a knowledge of anything I've taught you on this page, hold this particular one dear to your heart. I want to teach you guys how to make party jollof rice in bulk. I know a lot of people have taught people how to make jollof rice, but you see this one, see, you will not find this detailed recipe anywhere. As usual, this one is for my students. This video is long, so sit tight and enjoy. Add oil into your pot. Now, I would say that you always look for oil that you've used to fry your protein before. You know, the oil you used to fry your beef or your chicken or your turkey, anyone, it's more flavorful. I did not use because I didn't have time to wait for my protein to finish frying before using the oil. Do you understand? Now, add in some onions. I understand that onions is expensive at this point, but see, add enough onions to your jollof rice, especially if you are batch cooking. Then I'm going to add in your curry and thyme and your bay leaves into that oil. Now what this does is it will release all the flavor of this herbs and spices into the oil, so the flavor in your food is at the base of the food. I don't know if you get me. Sure you get. Then I'm going to add your tomato paste. Now the quality of tomato paste matters a lot in your jollof rice. You see this pep and taste to tom and this party jollof, they just know how to get the job done. They are very bright colored and they are very, very flavorful, especially that green one, that party jollof. Use it. Now I'm going to fry this thing. You will fry this thing like your life depends on it. I know I'm always hammering on fry your tomato paste, but you see, you fry this thing very well. It will begin to scatter a bit, like it will begin to scatter. That's when you know that it is ready. So this should take like roughly 10 minutes to do. Yes, 10 minutes. Or if you want to be sure, just taste it. It's supposed to start tasting sweet, like you put sugar inside. Now when your tomato paste is ready, you're going to introduce your jollof mix. I've shown you guys how to make jollof mix several times on this page. I don't even know, but if you still don't know jollof how to make a perfect jollof mix, just wave in the comment section. Maybe I'll be generous enough to make another video. Okay, now you're also going to fry this thing. See, if you want to cook jollof rice, you need time. You don't have to be rushing. You fry this thing very well. Frying this thing alone can take you like 40 minutes, and I'm not even joking. So take your time and just fry it. Okay, don't rush. Now halfway into the frying process, you're going to get your seasonings. I use this Spicity and this Kitchen Glory. There is no jollof rice for me without these two. They are very, very good, so use them also. And they are going to add in your seasoning powder or seasoning cubes, anyone share. You continue frying. You fry it. Now your pepper mix is going to change from the very bright orange that it looked like from the beginning to this very dark red color. Do you understand? This is when you know that your pepper mix is ready, when the oil is floating above the tomato. You understand? Then I'm going to introduce your meat stock. Then I'm going to add in some water. Enough water to cook your rice. Please don't add plenty water. You're not trying to make a dam or anything or a reservoir. Just enough water to cook your rice, because I've said it before that it's not water that cooks your rice, it is steam. So I'm going to stir everything to combine. Then I'm now going to cover it and allow it boil. You know how when you're cooking normal small batch of jollof rice, you can pour the rice into the pepper mix, the tomato mix before you add water, right? But this one, add water and allow it boil first before you pour your rice, because you're cooking plenty. Any small thing you're going to mess up. So add your rice when the water has boiled. Then I'm going to stir it properly to combine. Then you're going to cover it and allow it to cook. So now let's say 30 minutes into your cooking process. Remember, you'll be cooking this on very low heat, okay? So 30 minutes into your cooking process, you're going to look at this video. You see what I'm doing? You're going to flip and turn this rice so that what is up goes down and what is down comes up, and so that the steam that has been generated will circulate around the rice. I don't know if you understand. So that your steam can cook your rice. And then this steam, now you're going to trap it with foil paper. Use foil paper or cling film or whatever it is. Try to trap the steam so that your rice will cook without you having to be adding water inside. Remember, I said it is steam that cooks rice. Another 30 minutes, you're not going to open it, flip it and turn it again. It is not ready. See, you see, it's still showing white grains inside. It is not ready. So I'm going to repeat the same process, cover it again, and I'm going to repeat the process again. I did this like 3 times. Yes. Was it 3 times or 4 times? You do it to your rice. You see that you cannot see visible white grains again. That is when you know that your rice is very ready. So at this point, everybody should know how to make jollof rice, whether in batch, whether in small quantity, whether in big batch. I don't even care. But you should know how to make jollof rice with this video. And please, in the name of Jesus Christ, if you watch till this point, just help me and type thank you to Channel in the comments. Because see, even if you pay millions for jollof rice class, they will not take their time and teach you the way I just taught you. Like, this video is 5 minutes long. Do you know what that means? So yeah, just say thank you in the comments. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Happy New Year, and I wish you and your family a very blissful 2025. Bye.